Mr. Raf, come on from my house. Mr. Raf, I said come on from my house. All the money where you spend last month, you give me a new one.
Why the somebody you there?
What's not concern boss? They go spend that for rare women. They not only women they chop. Come on from my house. I don't have myself finish. They come for help. Nonsense.
Hello. Excuse me.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
We are actually from the bank.
From the bank,
Yes, sir. I'm looking for one Mr. Raf Obodiwe.
Mr. Raf Obodiwe.
Yes.
What happen? I don't know him. No, I don't know him.
I have his picture. Can you show me?
What be this?
Mr. Raf Obodiwe.
Jesus.
I don't know him. What happen?
Well, nothing really happened. He win 50 million for our bank.
Eh. Okay. What gonna happen?
Okay. When he take win this money, he write for there's a next of kin, Mr. Steve Obodiwe.
Steve Obodiwe. Let me see the picture again.
So we are looking for Mr. Steve Obodiwe.
Okay, Raphael. Now for tell me now.
Mr.
Now
Raf
my brother.
Obodiwe.
Yes, it's my brother.
So what is your name?
Steve Obodiwe.
You are the Steve Obodiwe
Yes,
we are looking for. Congratulations,
Yes,
my brother.
I will claim the
You have
money.
just won 50 million.
Yeah.
naira.
Thank you.
Officers!
Blood of Jesus.
What happened now?
What happened? Quiet. Mr.
You
Raf,
smoke Igbo.
he come our bank, collect loan,
Loan?
he run. Today, he go explain tire.
I beg.
He fight this man away from me.
Anything. Neighbors.
Use against you in the court of law.
Neighbors, when I come. Neighbors. Let's not put me for wahala.